The Lesson 3 notes will cover section 7.3 on page 3 of your notes packet on metallic bonds. This might be the shortest set of notes that you take this unit. Sweet. All right, so for 7.3 notes, metallic bonds have attractive forces between free-floating valence electrons and positively charged metal ions. So metallic bonds are the atoms that have these free-floating mobile valence electrons. So as you can see in this little picture, the valence electrons are kind of just moving around those metal cations, and that helps give metals some of the properties that they have. All right, so a few properties of metals. They conduct electricity, and again, these free-flowing valence electrons allow that current to be transferred. They are malleable, which means they can be molded or shaped. So if you take a piece of aluminum and hit a hammer with it, or if you squeeze a pop can, that metal is malleable. It can be molded or shaped. And again, that's because metals have these free-flowing valence electrons that allow the shape to change. Metals are also ductile, which means they can be drawn into a thin wire. Metals can form alloys. So if you've heard of alloy wheels or like chromium alloys, steel alloys, anything like that, an alloy is a mixture of metals that will improve the individual properties of each metal. So they are more durable, less likely to rust, stronger. Some examples of alloys are brass, which is a mixture of copper and zinc. Brass is used a lot in band instruments. Steel is a mixture of iron and carbon. And there's several different types of steel and different percentages of iron and carbon in the different types of steel. And bronze is another one. Bronze is a mixture of copper and tin. So last unit, when we talked about elements, compounds, and mixtures, these three examples would all be mixtures. Those metals are melted down, they're mixed together, and they are not chemically bonded, but rather just physically mixed together. All right, that is it for section 7.3 notes. Holy cow, nice job, guys.